Hey everyone, have you noticed that the peace and tranquility we all used to take for granted feels like it's been flipped upside down and shaken for loose change? We've seen 40-year high inflation that turned a grocery trip into a high-stakes heist. We've seen assassination attempts during an election year that shook the nation to its core. We've got constant grinding turmoil in the Middle East and a national debt that looks like a phone number from a different galaxy. It feels like every single week brings a new unprecedented crisis, right? And while the ultra-wealthy always seem to find a way to prosper, the hard-working middle class is getting squeezed like a lemon in this K-shaped economy. One side goes up, the other side goes down. Are you tired of being on the downside of that K? I know I am. It's no wonder so many people are looking for a way to actually help safeguard their financial well-being instead of just crossing their fingers and hoping the stock market doesn't have a bad day. Well, today we're going deep. We're talking about one of the most powerful tools in the modern retirement savers toolkit, the Gold IRA. If you've never bought gold before, it might seem like something out of a pirate movie, but hey, I'm here to show you it's modern and it's packed with 10 specific benefits that can change how you look at your retirement forever. So all right, let's get into it, but before we get to the why, we have to cover the what. So you ready? Now, most of us have a standard IRA or 401k. Usually those are filled with assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. These are essentially promises. A promise that a company will grow or a promise that a government will pay you back with interest. But a Gold IRA, also known as a self-directed IRA, allows you to hold tangible physical assets. We're talking actual gold coins and bars that meet strict IRS purity standards. Now, there are two main flavors here, and you'll want to pay attention because the tax man definitely is. The traditional Gold IRA, you fund this with pre-tax dollars, your account grows tax deferred, and you only pay taxes when you take a distribution down the road. It's the classic way to build a nest egg. The Roth Gold IRA, this is a fan favorite for many. You fund it with post-tax dollars, meaning you've already paid the piper. The result, qualified distributions, including all that potential growth, are completely tax-free. Think about that. If gold goes on another 65% tear like it did in 2025 and you're in a Roth, you keep every single penny of that gain. All right, let's break down the top 10 benefits of the Gold IRA. These aren't just nice to haves, they can be looked at as pillars of a resilient retirement. 1, true portfolio diversification. We've all heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. But if all your eggs are in the stock market, you aren't actually diversified. Gold is what we call counter-cyclical. When the S&P 500 is taking a bath, gold often puts on its running shoes. It provides a potential floor for your portfolio when the ceiling starts to leak. 2, the ultimate safe haven. For over 5,000 years, gold has been the asset people turn to when the world gets scary. It doesn't require a login, a password, or a functioning power grid to have value. It can act like an insurance policy for your wealth. 3, the inflation hedge. Since 1971, when we officially walked away from the gold standard, the US dollar has lost about 88% of its purchasing power. Meanwhile, gold has risen over 13,000%. I don't know about you, but I'd rather be holding the asset that goes up 13,000% than the one that loses 88%. 4, tax advantages and easy rollovers. One of the biggest myths is that you have to write a massive check to start a Gold IRA. Wrong. You can fund this by rolling over funds from your existing 401k, 403b, or traditional IRA, tax-free and penalty-free. It's just moving your retirement from paper to physical. 5. Universal acceptance. You can take a gold coin to London, Tokyo, Dubai, or a small village in the mountains, and people will know exactly what it is and what it's worth. Can you say the same for a share of a tech startup? I don't think so. 6. High liquidity. Some people think gold is stuck once you buy it. In reality, the gold market is one of the most liquid on earth, trading 24 hours a day. When you're ready to sell, there's likely a buyer waiting. 7. Massive growth potential. Let's look at the scoreboard. Since 2001, gold has grown at an annualized rate of roughly 12.5%. Over that same period, it has outperformed the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. It's not just a defensive play, it can be an offensive one as well. 8. It's tangible. In a world of cloud computing and digital currencies, there is something deeply satisfying about owning something you can actually hold. It can't be hacked, it can't be deleted by a glitch. It's real. 9. Incredible portability. Gold is dense, very dense. You can fit $1 million worth of gold at current prices into a small backpack. I don't recommend carrying it around in a backpack, but hey, you do you, right? The bottom line is, it's the most concentrated form of wealth storage known to man. 10. Institutional grade security. When you have a gold IRA, your metal isn't sitting under your mattress like the backpack. Please don't do that. It is held in a secure IRS-approved bullion depository like the Delaware Depository or Brinks. We're talking armed guards, Class 3 vaults, and full insurance. Think Fort Knox here. All right, now that you've got the lowdown on the 10 benefits, let's clear the air on a few yeah but questions I know you're thinking of. I get comments all the time like this, and so we're going to take a second to address them. Is it too late to buy? Look, I get it. Gold just hit record highs. But remember, people said it was too high at $1,000, then at $2,000. Now we've seen it punch through $5,000. As long as the government keeps printing money and the debt keeps climbing, the price of gold could have plenty of room to move. Can I see my gold? Absolutely. While the IRS requires it to be stored in a depository for tax reasons, you can actually visit the depository to see your holdings, or you can have the metal shipped directly to you when you take a distribution. Is the process hard? If you do it alone, yes, it's a nightmare of paperwork. That's why you work with experts who help the heavy lifting for you. This is where we talk about who you trust with your hard-earned savings. I don't just put my name behind anyone, all right? Goldco has become the gold standard. Yes, pun intended. For a reason. They've helped thousands of Americans move over $3 billion into precious metals. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and over 8,000 five-star reviews. When you call them, you aren't talking to a high-pressure salesperson. You're talking to a specialist who helps you understand the paperwork, the rollover process, and which coins are IRS approved. They make the complex feel simple. Look, the world is moving fast, and the old set it and forget it strategy is showing its age. In 2026, being grounded means having a foundation of physical assets. If you want to help protect what you've spent a lifetime building, you need the right information. Right now, you can request Goldco's free gold and silver kit. It's a physical pack they send to your door that explains everything we talked about today and more. And because I love a good deal, for those who qualify, Goldco is currently offering an instant match of up to 10% in bonus silver or gold on qualifying orders. Think about that. You help protect your retirement, and they give you an extra 10% head start in metal. I think it's a no-brainer. Just call the number on your screen or click the link in the description to get your free kit and see if you qualify for that 10% match. Don't wait for the next unprecedented headline to act. Check out the blog post linked below. It's the deep dive article this video was based on. It's got even more charts and data to help you make an informed decision. Hey, thanks for watching. Good on you for taking your retirement education seriously. And as always, stay smart out there.